Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you my new Khaitan Tycoon ceiling. It's a rare Khaitan. It's very rare. So guys, I am not gonna be revealing the design. It has a lot of crap in it. The fan doesn't run, okay? It's the blades and downwards. So I actually did the test on the motor on the test lamp and all the windings are good. Just the wires were broken, guys. The old wires, throw them here. These are the old wires which were cut at a point. So I'm going to fixing them, assemble the fan and then I'll show you. At last the connections are done, guys. This is the common, this is the primary winding, the red and the black is secondary winding. Sorry, black is primary and red is secondary. So we've done our job correctly. You can see I had to do a little bit of wrong routing, but until it works it's the best. That's it. I'm gonna assemble and then show you guys. I completely assembled the fan and now it works. Let me show you. I'm gonna be putting it in this. See it spins. Then I'm gonna be installing it in split second now. Camera trick. We should be having the download. Guys, the fan has been assembled. The blades are left, so I'll do that and I'll see you guys. So the fan blades, they're very dirty, so I'm actually going to be giving a clean to the fan before I install it. So this is the before and I'll show you the after. So guys, now the fan is installed. And yes, I forgot to show you guys the fan's label. Sorry for that. Let me take the test. Yes guys, I'm too close to the fan. Upper canopy is a little broken. This is the label. Khaitan Tycoon Rainbow 48-inch 1995 model. Can't be that perfect. This is such a nice design. Nice deco fan. So now let's switch it on full speed. Wow guys, what an airflow. It's like a tycoon in my room. Some bearing noise expected from old Khaitan fans. So let's switch it off. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in my upcoming video. Just coming pretty soon. I have not arranged my videos according to when to upload and that. So I have a huge backlog in my system. I have lots of videos to edit and upload them. There's no proper schedule that I'm in, but I'm still going to be working through it. See ya.